So guys, welcome back to another super quick video. If you've got a Mazda MX5 and your fan is making a bit of a funny noise, here we go, which is really annoying. Apologies this side, this is the dog side. This is effectively the boot on a Mazda MX5 if you've got a dog. Listen to that. It's the fan, it's got a whole load of leaves and stuff in it, and we're going to drop it out. First thing to do is take the glove box out, literally drop it to this side, and then pull the whole thing that way, because it's got a clip on one side and a little bar on the other side. So that bar is going to go in that side when you put it back on. And then here's your fan motor, blower motor, interior fan, whatever you want to call it. First thing you've got to do is take these clips off. You've got a screw at the back, a screw there, and a screw there. Potentially you've got to take that off, but I'm trying not to, but you might have to. An 8mm on a little ratchet is your hack for these screws, because they've also got an 8mm head on them. Okay, the first problem I've got is I've taken this plug out the top, but there's not enough slack in this bit of cable to get it out of there so that I can release this out the top. So either I'm going to snap one of these, or probably snap that one there. Also, this cable runs all the way across the motor and runs to that little thing, whatever that is. So I think I'm going to have to undo that and take that out as well, which is a bit of a faff. But I've taken the one off at the back already, because that's the hardest one to get to, and you don't want to be undoing the one at the back last with the motor trying to fall out on your head. Right, I think I can do it without removing this bit at the back. Basically, if you roll these cables that are here over the front of the motor, that gives you enough slack here to pull them out of this thing here, and then unclip it from that bit there. And then, because we're not actually changing the motor, it doesn't need to come all the way out. That already I can see. That's your sound. That's your sound as the blower's going around. And then what we got in here, full of leaves. So we're going to empty that out, get the Mrs. Dyson on the case, give it a good hoover out, and then refit in as a reverse of the removal process. There you go. Like and subscribe. See you next time.